around the corner yesterday. Didn't get that pipe done. I didn't do it today either, but started pulling strings in, as you can see. Tied these off. That one is tied off to there, and that one is tied off to the bolt right there. So just doing that all day basically. So took the fish tape and just pushing that through the pipes, and then going to the other side of the pipes and pulling the strings in. So that was basically my whole day. I'm leaving about an hour and a half early because yesterday I worked late, and I don't have anyone else here working with me today. So as you can see, there's one right there. Some of the cars are on the way here. So I've driven this monster right here. This thing's pretty fun to drive, but I definitely need to get some more practice on that. So that's fun stuff. Still have to run a string out to the sign. As you can see here, I tied the strings off to the tree just to make sure they don't fall down the hole. So still have a couple pipes there to go. Some of these longer runs I couldn't get because once you run like 200 feet of metal fish tape down one of these pipes, and then you try to get it up the last 90, it just doesn't work. So as you can see, this fish tape is stuck in that pipe right now, so hopefully I can get that out tomorrow if I just pull really hard. But my chest has been hurting, so that's another reason why I wanted to leave. Just don't want to put too much stress on it right now. Hopefully it can heal up overnight or something, but I just want to take it easy a little bit. I almost didn't come into work today, but I'm glad I did because it was a good time. So this one, I couldn't find any strings, or I couldn't get any strings to there or there. These ones, a lot of these feel like they're full of concrete, which kind of sucks, which really sucks actually. So I went through all these, and a handful of these couldn't get strings in, but it was like over half of them I got strings, probably at least half. So they're gonna bring the air compressor tomorrow, hopefully, and then we can try to blow these in, so we can get these done. Got some traffic here. So I got this one all the way down to the next one, and then I got stuck in the last 90. I was pretty upset, but as you can see, there is a LB over here on the wall, right there. So ran a string from there over to there, and then from there went over to that one right there. So that was about it. I tried another one from the carport over to the sign, but that one didn't work, and that was the one that got stuck, and I think that last one doesn't go to anywhere. So that was my day. So hope you guys enjoyed this little Camry vlog. So I hope you guys stick around, and see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, whatever, all that good stuff. Thanks for the support, guys. Appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you later.